This desktop trash can combine functionality and charm with a 1.5-liter capacity, perfect for small spaces. Available in a variety of attractive colors, it's designed for easy bag changes, making disposal effortless. The included lid helps control odors, keeping your workspace fresh. Priced at $13, it's a practical yet stylish addition to any desk. This versatile desk is perfect for both work and relaxation. Its foldable design allows it to easily shrink from 63 centimeters to just 21 centimeters, saving space when needed. Equipped with wheels for easy mobility and brakes for stability, this desk offers both convenience and functionality. For only $86, it's a great choice for anyone looking to optimize their workspace without sacrificing style or flexibility. The trend of standing while working is gaining popularity for its productivity and health benefits. However, standing for long periods can be tough, which is where this adjustable desk shines. It offers the flexibility to switch between standing and sitting with a height adjustment range from 11 centimeters to 51 centimeters. The desk can support up to 15 kilograms, making it sturdy enough to hold multiple monitors. At just $140, this desk provides a comfortable and versatile solution for your workspace. This water filtration and heating system is priced at $614, offering two key functions in one device. It not only removes harmful impurities, but also heats water with a temperature range from 40 degrees Celsius to 95 degrees Celsius. Whether you're making coffee or preparing baby food, it eliminates the need for a kettle. The filtration process consists of 5 stages, removing various contaminants from arsenic to nitrates. With a maximum capacity of 2,270 liters of water per day, this system ensures clean, heated water whenever you need it. Waterdrop offers a compact water filter with a unique design that can be conveniently stored in your fridge. Capable of purifying 757 liters of water, it provides 5 times the capacity of many other filters. The system is built to remove harmful substances like chlorine, PFOA, PFOS, and even mercury, ensuring your water is clean and safe. At just $35, this filter offers great value and is a practical solution for improving water quality in your home.